Hello friends, welcome to our channel END. In our today's class we are going to learn how to find the order of an element in direct sum, a group of direct sum. Let me take an example for m to be 2 and n to be 3. And I have already discussed in my past lecture what are the elements in z modulo m is z plus direct sum of z modulo n is z, and I have provided the link in the description box. You can refer to it. Consists of 0, 0, 0, 1 and 0, 2. It is 1, 0, 1, 1 and 1, 2. And the order of this z modulo 2z direct sum z modulo 3z is 2, 1, 2, 3 into 3. It is 6. 2 into 3, which is 6. Let me take an element 1, 1. And now I am going to find the order of this 1, 1 in the direct sum of z modulo 2z and z modulo 3z. Which is, first I will find for the first element 1 in z modulo 2z and the second one 1 in z modulo 3z. Its order is 1 into a such that I am going to get the remainder 0 when divided by 2. That is this number. It's not like even or odd. This p. I am going to write this mod p. So 1 into 1, it does not give the remainder 0 when I divide by 2. So 1 into 2. So it is 2. The order of 1 is 2 here. And for this, order of 1 is 1 into a, so that 0 mod, of course it is 3. So here a is 3. You can give whatever name you want, a1, a2. That's your wish. So the order of 1, 1 in z modulo 2z and z direct sum of z modulo 3z is equal to LCM of this element, order of 1 in z modulo 2z and order of 1 in z modulo 3z. So it is 2, 3, which is equal to 6. I will find for one more element 1, 2. This is equal to LCM of order of 1 in z modulo 2z and order of 2 in z modulo 3z. Using these you can find order of 1 in z modulo 2z is, we already did, it is 2. And order of 2 in z modulo 3z, it is so 2 into a is equal to 0 mod 3. So 2 into 1, it does not give remainder 0. 2 into 2, no, it's not 0. So 2 into 3, so a is equal to 3. Order of 2 is 3, which is again 6.